Yo guys, in today's video, I'll be reviewing this Apple Watch Ultra 2 that I got from DhGate. Let's start off with the packaging. It comes in the standard Apple Watch Ultra 2 box that is in this grey colorway. And over to the back, it would show you the size of the Apple Watch that you got from this DhGate supplier. And everything from the text to the logos look where it's supposed to be. The unboxing experience was as real as it gets to like having a real Apple Watch Ultra unboxing. And once you take off all the paper, you do get to the Apple Watch Ultra itself and to the Apple Watch band as well. The band comes in this paper here or in this type of envelope that as soon as you take it out, it does show you how to install the band onto the Apple Watch. And the quality on these were actually okay. I'll give them like a 7.5 on the band itself. And oh boy, over to the Apple Watch, it feels like I actually got something from Apple here. It's crazy how they even got the paperwork to be identical and the charging cables as well, and they actually work with the Apple Watch, which I'll show you later. And now over to the Apple Watch itself. The detail on this was immaculate. As you can see, it comes with the action button as well and with the heart rate sensor that actually works. The pairing process of this was very easy. You just need this app called Apple Watch, and pairing it is that you go to the Bluetooth settings of that app, and then once you pair it, it's pretty much synced over to your phone, so you get like the notifications and so forth, and even phone calls as well on the Apple Watch. What's crazy to me is how well they tried to make it like the Apple Watch app with all this as well, but it can never be really to one with the software, just only the watch itself. But I really appreciate the features that it did have with this watch as well. It made it feel not cheap or like a budget watch. It did carry a lot of the features that you would get in the real Apple Watch. The only thing is just I wish there were more watch faces like the originals, but apart from it, it was pretty great. And then to cycle through the watch faces, you just scroll on the crown and then it changes the watch face as well, which is okay to me, I guess, but that means you could like mistakenly change your watch face just by having it on your wrist. I did try the heart rate feature on the watch, and all I can say, it is pretty accurate compared to my Apple Watch that I later tried on side by side with it, and it's just like a few heartbeats off, but in reality these watches are not fully accurate for your heartbeat. But it's actually amazes me how close they were when it came to testing out my heart rate or measuring my heart rate, and they were pretty similar, like 2 to 3 beats per minute off. That's amazing. In terms of the software, it is laggy a little bit. As you can see here, it's not as smooth as WatchOS would be, but other apps like the calculator are pretty similar. Like if no one has ever seen a real Apple Watch before, they would think that this is actually a real Apple Watch, apart from, a few things here and there that might be off. Even if you go to the widgets of the Apple Watch as well, from DhGate, they do try to mimic the real Apple Watch as well. And that's very surprising that you can get this from DhGate for way more than half the price and get the exact same thing. Even the flashlight on the Apple Watch as well works just like this. And all I can say is I'll give this a solid like 7 out of 10 if you're just trying to look like you have an Apple Watch and get some of the features that the real Apple Watch would have. So things like Siri is not the best when it comes to this Apple Watch. It uses your phone's like microphone to detect Siri, or like you have to like hold it down and then enable Siri on your phone. It does listen to you, but then Siri speaks through the watch speaker. Even when you play music, it does the exact same thing. The workout app is meh. All I can say is I don't know how accurate it is when it comes to measuring the metrics when you do enable that workout. And for the ECG reading, I don't know if this is actually accurate whatsoever, because they do say the exact same thing on both watches. So I think that the one on the Apple Watch from DhGate is just mimicking what a real Apple Watch would say, irrespective of it having a heart rate or trying to detect a problem. I do like how they try to mimic the control center on the Apple Watch, but a lot of things don't work. I don't know if this has low power mode like the original Apple Watch would have, but this is just the features that it might have that might work, or the look or the perception it gives. Forgot to show you guys the box in detail, or like the paperwork that comes with the Apple Watch. I believe that this is actually a real Apple Watch like paperwork that would come in the Apple Watch Ultra. It's actually cool that they actually put this in, and how much attention to detail they actually do to give you that Apple Ultra unboxing experience, in my honest opinion. And the watch actually does charge with my original Apple Watch charging stand. It's crazy that it uses the same magnets to actually stay on, and that's a really cool feature as well. With all that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy the video. The link will be down below in the description. Drop a like, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace.